Acquisitions news. Enbridge enhances North American renewables business with acquisition of Tri Global Energy. Zscaler acquires ShiftRight to integrate security workflow automation technology into the Zero Trust Exchange platform. Walker & Dunlop raises equity for the Morgan Group and J.P. Morgan joint venture. Globant acquires Italian-based Sistata to expand its digital transformation capabilities in Europe. Baring Private Equity taps Goldman to lead Tricor, Vistra merger sources. Sunset Development buys Chevron's campus. Chevron plans nearby move. Tims China completes business combination with Silver Crest Acquisition Corporation. Bullish news. PCOS severity is linked to insulin resistance, and Gynov can help. Advata introduces advanced RCM software to improve staff experience, productivity, and efficiency for healthcare. Kangaroo announces a unique security platform for customers to easily manage their personal information. The Kangaroo Defender Life Planner. New Frontier selected as agency of record for Essex County, New Jersey. Vivek Babaria, DO, RMSK joins Disc Sports and Spine Center as physician partner. Sigatech receives $10.70 MLN order for antiviral TPOXX amid monkeypox outbreak. Motus Energy significantly expands its Brownsville terminal facilities to support the increased movement of commodities between international markets. Cerebane Biotech has made a capital investment in Diabetes Reversal Group, LLC. Sarepta Therapeutics submits biologics license application for SRP 9001 for the treatment of ambulant patients with Duchenne muscular dystrophy. New line of pasta sauces. A promising partnership with St. Hubert brings Pacini's Italian flair to grocery stores. ServiceNow. Honeywell back Noodle.ai with $25 million Series C to end global supply chain crisis. Nordic American Tankers Limited, NYSE, NAT. Sale of Suezmax tanker, 2003 built. Germany plans to borrow €200 billion to tackle gas price surge. A token. Introducing brand new crypto wallet to Web 3.0. WINECAP. Burgundy region dominates September's top fine wine performers. Mycronic receives order for a Precision Light 8 Evo. Meta Utopia builds a metaverse community through 3 phases of development. Shaw Sports Turfs Legion TM, Momentum TM, and Powerblade TM. Product lines become cradle-to-cradle certified. V3.1. The EMEA secondary macronutrients market is projected to register a CAGR of 4.2% during the forecast period 2022 to 2027. Biomerica's Aware Breast Self-Exam and EZ Detect Colon Disease test now available on Amazon and fulfilled by Amazon. Boxwood Partners advises Authority Brands on its pending sale to British Columbia Investment Management Corporation and funds advised by Apax. Dish ranked number 1 in customer satisfaction nationally for 5 consecutive years by J.D. Power. HACR partnership helps Medtronic develop Hispanic talent. Newtek selects Aperture's digital banking platform to power Newtek Bank. Cassette introduces stackable apartment pods to address housing crisis. Pop-up showroom opens for tours October 20, 2022. In Los Angeles. Information Services Corporation, TC, ISV, Insider upped their holding by 161% earlier this year. Biden okays disaster funds for Florida amid Hurricane Ian. Singan establishes manufacturing partnership to scale production and reduce costs of Drive Mod Kit. Modelo Health trademark offers first of its kind evidence-based solution to U.S. maternal mortality crisis as reported by CDC. General Inception creates first ever igniter for new company formation. Masonite announces 5 new MPWR Smart Doors home builder partners. GM and Onad Battery Sciences collaborate on joint R&D of silicon anode technology for more efficient EV batteries. Harsco Rail signs contract with Saudi Railway Company. Roku enables brand new cross-media measurement of traditional TV, connected TV, desktop, and mobile ad campaigns together with Nielsen. NV5 awarded $8 million geospatial contract to support Northern California wildfire mitigation. UiPath announces FHIR-enabled API automation to simplify integration and transform patient experiences in healthcare. FOREWARN partners with 9 North Carolina Realtor associations. LexisNexis Risk Solutions report reveals the yearly cost of financial crime compliance reaching $56.7 billion. A 13.6% increase for financial institutions in the United States and Canada combined. Lordstown Motors begins commercial production of endurance pickup truck. SKYX secures 10-year roof rights for signage on one of the tallest buildings in Miami. Thermo Fisher Scientific to source half of its U.S. electricity needs from wind power purchase with Enel North America. The Oncology Institute enrolls nation's first 2 patients in a Phase 3 open-label randomized clinical trial of pirtobrutinib. VMware spurs CSP network modernization with major advances in Talco Cloud portfolio. Viasat-3 achieves flight configuration. EOS Fitness scores a perfect 10 with grand opening in Orem, Utah. LAURION announces voting results for its annual and special meeting of shareholders. Ebix Cash wins 3-year contract from Amritsar International Airport. Denali Therapeutics Inc. DNLI moves 17.7% higher. Will this strength last? DT Midstream increases ownership in Millennium Pipeline. Globe Air to serve southern France and Italy with the Lilium jet. M Loans partners with Simple Nexus to drive operational efficiency and boost loan revenue. SIGA Technologies announces new contract awarded by U.S. Department of Defense for the procurement of up to $10.7 million of oral TPOXX. SL Green Inc.'s 347,000 square foot lease with Franklin Templeton at 1 Madison Avenue. Worthington Industries announces plan to separate steel processing business, unlocking value by creating new standalone public company. UK Financial Conduct Authority announces cessation of 1 and 6-month synthetic sterling LIBOR at the end of March 2023. New York City celebrates opening of Tin Building by Jean Georges as the seaport welcomes city's new culinary marketplace and global destination. Walmart Inc. NYSE. WMT. Insiders sold $11 million United States dollars worth of stock, possibly signaling a downtrend. EyePoint Pharmaceuticals announces first patient dosed in Phase 2 Pavia clinical trial of EYP-1901 for the treatment of non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy. Accenture ranked number 1 on Refinitiv Index of world's most diverse and inclusive companies. U.S. Army Research Lab extends contract with Palantir to deliver leading AI, ML capabilities across Department of Defense. Designated news release, GOLDMINING intersects 118 m grading 1.01 grams, TAUEQ at its LAGARRUCHA. Target: LA MENA Project. Columbia. Fluor selected for expansion of large-scale biologics manufacturing facility in Scandinavia. Stephen Webster is the independent director of Oceaneering International, Inc. NYSE. OII. And they just picked up 25% more shares. NACE Technology Inc. announces adoption of new share incentive plan. BD. Heart to Heart International. NAFC and Henry Schein Cares award critical lab equipment to 6 U.S. free and charitable clinics. BlackRock, Allianz join $300 million travel startup funding. Thrive Cause. Contracts with Cardinal Health to develop new office and residential development in Dublin. Kilroy Realty, KRC, surges 5.3%. Is this an indication of further gains? Fisker achieves manufacturing milestones before November start of production of all-electric Fisker. Ocean. SpringWorks Therapeutics announces dosing of first patient in Phase 2 trial evaluating nirogacestat in patients with ovarian granulosa cell tumors. UK bond liquidity improves only slightly after Bow intervention. The partner and coup of Compass Diversified. NYSE. Cody. Patrick Masciariello. Just bought 3.5% more shares. Frameplay becomes Unity Verified Solutions partner. KBR to deliver innovative solutions in support of UK nuclear infrastructure. Lowe's and Samsung transform appliances into works of art with limited edition Samsung Bespoke refrigerator panel collection. Kirai now integrates with Ping Identity's DaVinci to deliver a unique passwordless customer authentication experience. Radware expands relationship with Fortune 500 financial services provider in a multi-million-dollar deal. Satellogic signs 3-year agreement with Government of Albania to access dedicated satellite constellation. Tenneco to supply Monroe intelligent suspension technology for Li Auto electric SUV. Axogen, AXGN, soars 8.6%, is further upside left in the stock. MINISO announces $100 million share repurchase program. Tradeweb collaborates with S&P Global Market Intelligence to connect primary and secondary markets. In Europe, Brookfield, TPG among potential bidders for Mashreq Payments Unit. French healthcare software provider, Maincare, selects HPE GreenLake to accelerate deployment of secure health cloud services. DO selects Hewlett-Packard Enterprise for digital transformation journey to 5G. Sun Life, billionaire Cheng Ai insurance deal with Hong Kong's Da Sing, sources say. YMAbs Therapeutics, Inc. YMAB, soars 5.2%. Is further upside left in the stock. AECOM, ACM, to provide project management services to GOAA. Update 3 Toyota global vehicle output rises 44.3% in August to record for month. The Bancorp switches to national charter with HQ relocating to South Dakota. Billionaire push sees top Australia emitter hasten coal exit. India eyes $550 million incentives to draw Apple tablet makers. First mover Asia. Bitcoin holds strong over $19,000. Why is the dollar dominating? Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway buys 5.99 MLN more Occidental shares. Dayan Technology selects BlackBerry to develop acoustic solutions for Great Wall Motors premium next-generation vehicles. Guidewire announces $200 million accelerated share repurchase program. New Pacific files Form 40F annual report. These two Nasdaq stocks led markets higher Wednesday. PG&E files to separate non-nuclear generation assets into standalone units. Update 1 PG&E files to separate non-nuclear generation assets into standalone units. Amazon raises hourly wages at cost of almost $1 billion a year. Walker & Dunlop Seniors housing sales reaches milestone. Why Ford stock was a winner on Wednesday. Why Rivian stock zoomed nearly 4% higher today. Justice Department seeks to end JetBlue partnership with American. Why Shopify, PayPal, and Mercado Libre stocks rallied on Wednesday. Bearish news. Dow Jones futures drop ahead of key economic data. Apple slides on downgrade. Update 1 UK bond liquidity barely improves after Bow intervention. ING. UK watchdog dismisses criticisms over crypto authorization. Duke Energy and critics dispute NC carbon plan proposals as regulators may complete hearing Thursday. CarMax stock tumbles after Q2 earnings miss as car sales slide. Bed Bath & Beyond quarterly loss widens on merchandising issues. Here's why Riverpark disposed its Starbucks SBUX shares. Apple stock extends slide as B of A lowers rating, cuts price target on iPhone demand concern. Climate pay links for CEOs do little to cut emissions, study finds. Romeo Power reminds stockholders to tender shares for Nikola transaction ahead of October 12, 2022 deadline. OPEC Plus discusses cutting oil output at next week's meeting. SoftBank planning Vision Fund staff cuts of at least 30%, sources say. Latest push by Chinese firms to avoid U.S. delistings falls short. Oil pairs drop with OPEC Plus cuts weighed against growth outlook. Warren Buffett piles into more Occidental as Berkshire Hathaway lifts stake to 20.9%. Europe gas prices fall amid higher wind output, LNG supply. Global markets sterling slippery, stocks stalling as Bow boost fades. Polish e-commerce leader Allegro trims forecast over inflation fears. Dollar dishes the pain as new sell-off takes hold. US LNG can only solve a part of Europe's gas problem. Phoenix home manufacturer ordered to pay $1.5 million in SEC settlement. Financing news. Macquarie raises over $3 million for Calgary charities in annual brew-off event. Community Heritage Financial, Inc. announces pricing of public offering of common stock under Regulation A+. Agree Realty announces pricing of forward common stock offering. Intercontinental Hotels Group plc announces transaction in own shares, September 29. Opinion of the Board of Directors regarding the possible voluntary tender offer for Bachoco's shares. Earnings news. DraftKings is on track to be profitable in Q4 2023, strategist says. U.S. weekly jobless claims fall. Second quarter GDP unrevised. Wonderport Corporation announces business update and share cancellation. Phillips Edison & Company, Inc. invites you to join its third quarter 2022 earnings conference call. Herc Holdings announces third quarter 2022 earnings call and webcast date. Margin lending facility update. Vertex Pharmaceuticals. Nasdaq. VRTX. 5-year earnings growth trails the 14% YoY shareholder returns. Office Properties Income Trust third quarter 2022 conference call scheduled for Friday, October 28. Via Optronics AG reports preliminary unaudited second quarter 2022 results. Worthington reports first quarter fiscal 2023 results. Bed Bath & Beyond Inc. reports fiscal 2022 second quarter results. HSBC to review Canary Wharf HQ and consider new London base. Pfizer Inc.'s NYSE PFE earnings are not doing enough for some investors. NuVasive announces agenda for Investor Day 2022. Rite Aid Corporation reports fiscal 2023 second quarter results. Vulcan Materials to outline new growth and profitability targets at 2022 Investor Day. CarMax reports second quarter fiscal 2023 results. Now Inc. announces third quarter 2022 earnings conference call. Merck to hold third quarter 2022 sales and earnings conference call October 27. Buckle. NYSE. BKE. Ticks all the boxes when it comes to earnings growth. Stocks bear market will continue into the first quarter, portfolio manager says. The strong dollar could ruin earnings season for these companies. Nike reports earnings today. Wall Street is bracing for disappointment. Worthington earnings preview. Can the steel stock beat expectations again? Jefferies beats quarterly profit estimates on lift from merchant banking. Enerpac Tool Group reports fourth quarter fiscal 2022 results. Links to articles are below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.